Welcome Sunset Motors. My name is Frank Gerard. We're located in West Tennessee. Got a beautiful 2016 Ford F250 Lariat with the Ultimate Lariat package. So that includes all the options basically. You've got the sunroof, remote engine start, heated and cooled seats, adjustable pedals, got all the goodies. We'll go inside and show you in a minute. So it does have the towing package, backup camera, backup sensors. It's got step ladder, and this raises up. Got a picture of it, but the handle raises up so you can get in. Very nice. It's got the sprayed in Rhino bed liner. It's also got the gooseneck ball, which is very handy. It's a B&W turnover gooseneck hitch. It's the best one you can get. As you can see, it's got a nice clean frame, no rust. How about some new tires? Brand new Hankooks. Smooth ride. It's got the FX4 off-road suspension. What a truck. Also, you've got your light hookup for your camper or trailer. This is one towing machine. So this is kind of a unique truck because it's got the 6.2 gasoline engine that runs on flex fuel, which if you can get some the E85 ethanol fuel, which is very cheap, this is pretty cheap to operate vehicle. So that's the benefit of getting this 6.2. First, it's a reliable engine. It's been on the market a long time. I haven't had any issues at that engine. And it's cheaper up front, cheaper to maintain. Gasoline's a lot cheaper than diesel. So there's some good benefits from it. It's a pretty red truck. It's very clean. It's got remote engine start. You just lock it, push this button twice. You can get it running. Summer or winter, that's nice. You can get the climate control going. It does have a clean Carfax. It's a Southern truck. This was a local trade. I actually sold this truck a few years ago with 5,000 miles. Now it's only got 31,000 miles, so it's barely driven. Got the keypad. You can enter with this with a combination. So we've got power folding heated mirrors. Oh, I gotta put the key in to show you those features. It's got tow mirrors, power extendable with a button, and they fold in too. Very nice. Got memory seat, power windows, power seat, heated and cool leather seat. As you can see, they're in excellent condition. No sign of wear. It's got clean carpets and floor mats. Still smells new. It's very nice. Adjustable pedals, automatic headlights. And look at the miles. 31,222 miles. Very low miles. It's not even 10,000 miles a year. More like 6 or so. So we've got the leather wrapped steering wheel. Got your audio control on the steering wheel. Trip computer, cruise control. It's got the automatic transmission with the tow mode and the manual shift. That's what's nice too. There's your heated seat, cool seats, dual climate control, automatic climate control. Passenger and driver can have their own temperatures. Factory navigation system. When it comes to entertainment, it's got just about every option. AM, FM, Sirius satellite, CD, which they don't do that anymore. USB, Bluetooth, SD card, auxiliary input. Get every input possible. Got your backup camera. It's got a nice display. Shift on the fly four-wheel drive, traction control, hill descent assist. Got an outlet here, 12-volt factory. Try the brake controller. It's gonna be connected. It's got a 110 inverter. Another outlet. This one has the Sony sound system. It sounds really good. How about 4 cup holders? Can't have too many of those. Large storage compartment. Another 12-volt outlet, so you've got 3 of them up here. I do have the extra key, owner's manual. Oh, that's right, that's back here. Power sliding glass, how about that? With a rear defrost. Power sunroof. Yeah, this thing's got everything. A little storage compartment, USB. That's the SD card for the navigation system. Really nice and clean. No rust, no mud. Wax and detail, been serviced. Back seat's nice too. You got vents back here. You got a 110 outlet and a 12-volt outlet. Got the all-weather floor mats back here. Storage, another 12-volt outlet. These are 275, 65, 20, some 20-inch polished aluminum wheels with no rust, no peeling, just like new. See the undercarriage. The body's in good shape. There was a scratch here. I touched it up. That's about it. These are really hard to come by right now. Well, everything's nice. That's nice, it's hard to come by, but the only way I get these is on trade-ins. Got power seats on both sides. Like I said earlier, this is 6.2 V8, pushes 385 horse and 405 foot-pounds of torque. Nice clean engine compartment. Been serviced, ready to go. Also, I certified this unit, so we check it, make sure everything's ready to go. And we give you a warranty of 24 months or 100,000 miles on the drivetrain. You can extend that to bumper for a small fee. This is through Allstate, name brand warranty. If you're looking for an awesome truck, a light new condition, at an affordable price, I believe you found it. To see if this F250 is still for sale, go to my website, sunsetmotors.com. It's on the website, it's for sale. If not, you're too late and it's gone. I do have very competitive financing available with low interest rate and good terms. Credit applications on the website. Worldwide shipping is also available. If you have any question or you need a shipping quote, just give me a call or text at 731-686-8800. Thank you for watching and come and see us.